Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the investing.com application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, from your device, open up the Play Store, and once you open it up, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in investing.com and start your search. Once you find the investing.com application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the investing.com application on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application. Once the application is opened up, you can proceed with signing up to create your new account or log into an existing one in order to start using the investing.com app on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the investing.com application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.